How to find archived emails on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Then on the left side, click on More. After you've clicked on More, on the left side, there will not be option for archived. So, simply click on All Mails. In All Mails, there will be your archived emails. After you're in the All Mails section, you can scroll down, and if there is no inbox, that means the message is archived. So click on the search option at the top. After you've clicked on the search option at the top here and does not have, type in label column space inbox. Select date within and press on search. After you do that, you'll find all your archived mails in here. In this way, and as you can see, there is no inbox written on it. And this is how to find archived emails on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.